Cooking is a vital skill that everyone should have in their arsenal. It's not just about making delicious meals, but it's also a way to bond with family or friends and even to express your creativity. However, many people are hesitant to cook because they lack the skills or confidence to do so. If you're one of them, don't worry. In this video, we will share 10 simple ways to improve your cooking skills. Number 1. Start with the basics. Before you can become a master chef, you need to master the basics. Learn how to properly chop vegetables, cook rice and boil an egg. These are basic skills that will serve you well in the kitchen. Number 2. Invest in quality tools. Having the right tools can make all the difference in the kitchen. Invest in good quality knives, pans and utensils. A sharp knife makes slicing and chopping easy, while a good quality frying pan spreads the heat evenly and prevents burning. Number 3. Learn how to use different cooking methods. There are many different cooking methods such as roasting, steaming, boiling and poaching. Try experimenting with different methods to see how they affect the taste and texture of your food. Number 4. Read cooking books and blogs. Reading cooking books and blogs can be a great way to get inspiration for new dishes and learn new techniques. You could also read cookbooks that focus on a specific cuisine or cooking method to gain more expertise in that area. Number 5. Watch cooking shows. Watch cooking shows to learn new techniques and get inspiration for new dishes. There are so many great cooking shows out there, from MasterChef to Barefoot Contessa. You can also check out cooking channels on YouTube for more inspiration. Number 6. Use a food thermometer. Use a food thermometer to make sure your meats or cook it to the right temperature. This will help you avoid undercooked or overcooked meats. Number 7. Learn to cook with different types of cuisines. Try different types of cuisines such as Thai, Italian or Mexican. It will help you expand your cooking skills and introduce new flavors and techniques to your repertoire. Number 8. Make your own sauces and dressings. Instead of using store-bought sauces and dressings, try making your own. This allows you to control the ingredients and flavors and is also a great way to experiment with different flavors. Number 9. Experiment with different types of proteins. Try cooking with different types of proteins such as tofu, tempeh or seitan. These vegetable proteins are a healthy and sustainable alternative to meat and can be used in various dishes. Number 10. Have fun. Cooking should be fun. Don't take it too seriously and enjoy the process. Cooking is a great way to express creativity and bond with family and friends. So put on some music, pour yourself a glass of wine and have fun in the kitchen. Cooking can be a daunting task, but with these 10 simple ways to improve your cooking skills, you will be well on your way to become a confident and skilled home chef. Remember to establish these basics, invest in good quality tools, follow recipes, experiment with flavors, watch cooking shows, take a cooking class, practice, use fresh ingredients, don't be afraid to make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. Happy cooking!